What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Al from Al's Auto here with another video for you. Today we're going to be working on a 2010 Honda Fit. Today we're just going to be replacing the wiper blades, the two front ones and the one rear one. So let's get started. Okay guys, only thing you're going to need today is 3 wiper blades. Now this guy got 2 Rain-X for the front and just a regular wiper blade for the rear. I don't think they make Rain-X for the rear, unfortunately. So the passenger side is 14 inches and the driver's side is 28 inches. Now the good thing with these, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the passenger side first. This right here, there's a tab. Push down, comes right off. That tab right there. Okay. Now for these, they have a bunch of different methods. They have a bunch of different adapters. If you push these two, that comes up. You see, it's the same exact way as the one we just did. So we're going to put this here. Then this is going to lock it. Take that film off. Bam. Now, I'll go ahead and do the driver's side. Same thing. That little tab right there. As it breaks off. Now the difference between these two is that these regular blades, they only make pressure at these points. Okay, so while one is kind of like that, streaking around a little bit, this, the entire blade itself is the pressure point. So it has pressure here, 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 blah, 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 all the way through. Okay. Same thing. Open that up. Come here. Close it. Take this film off. Bam. Now, for the rear, for this guy, going to do like this. You want to push down on it while turning it. Okay? And it comes right off because of that guy right there. And it's the same thing going on. Okay? This goes in here like that. You see how it just slid in right away? That doesn't always happen, but it slides in sideways like that, and then you turn it on. Bam! We need more explosions. Now, the only thing you gotta do is to test them. So you start the car, and you hit the washer fluid. Ooh, look at that. No streaks whatsoever. Now how about the rear? Rear is fine too. Bam. Alright, you guys. And that's it. As easy as that. You know? So that was a nice little quick tip for any of you guys. Real quick, most vehicles are like that. It's just that one clip and it comes straight off. That's usually what it is. There's a couple others like some Mercedes, Volkswagens, BMWs, you know, foreign cars are usually different, unfortunately, but we'll cross that bridge when I can cross that bridge to show you guys how to cross that bridge. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. You know who it is, Al from Al's Auto. If you like this, let me know. Let me know anything down below in the comments. Subscribe if you like it. I'll be coming out with a lot more as soon as I can, but it takes time, and unfortunately my schedule is all kinds of up. Anyway, thank you guys so much. I'm signing off. Have a great life. Peace.